Hi guys, my name's Doug. Welcome to my messy garage. Today's mess is going to be working on my 12-foot Nova trailer by Midsota. I like this trailer. It's worked quite well for me. The hinge pins, or the latch pins up here are starting to get worn out, and I've working on sourcing a replacement for that. The hinges get a little rusty, but for the most part everything works very well. The one problem is, I don't know how well it's going to show up here. The tailgate is pretty heavy. And the new trailers that they sell at the local dealership all come with springs. So I'll follow along today. We're going to install a spring kit on this trailer that'll make it much easier to handle the weight of the tailgate. Unfortunately, my next door neighbor was working out in his front yard, and every time I tried talking to the camera, he thought I was talking to him. So we'll do this in voiceover. The way this hinge works is there's an 1.5 inch about diameter central hinge pin that's held in place with two small bolts, one on each end. This hinge is kind of a double acting arrangement that allows the tailgate to fold flat down into the base of the trailer, so that if you're hauling the trailer empty, you don't have to fight the wind resistance of the tailgate. So what we're going to do in the first stage here is get this hinge extracted, then we'll install the hinge spring. So I wasn't really seeing how this spring fit in here very well, so I ran out to the dealership where they've got several trailers set up with the spring already, and it looks to me like we need to have the tailgate laying in flat. This is kind of a shipping position, or if you don't want the wind to catch your tailgate driving down the road, if you're driving empty, you can flip it forward like this. And one tab will hit against the back of this. The other tab goes underneath this main pivot bolt, like that. As you can see, the spring's not real straight, but I'm hoping with a little bit of persuasion I can get this pitch pin to go back through. Pin's almost all the way through the spring. It's going to be a bit of a challenge to get it to line up with the hinge pin though, or the hinge socket. Just need a little bit better persuasion. Well, that one went fairly easy. Let's try the other side. That came out pretty easy. So this bar catches on, and this bar catches on the gate. Okay, let's see how the hinge works now. Much better. Not enough room to put the tailgate all the way down here because I'm a little close to the house, but very happy with how that came together. Well guys, thanks for watching this quick little video, and on to the next mess. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. If you did, please hit the like button. If you're not already subscribed, please consider hitting the subscribe button. And for more great content from Doug's Messy Garage, select the video that YouTube thinks you'll enjoy. Thanks for watching.